Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up TP-Link Deco X68 AX3600 mesh Wi-Fi system. We will show you in simple and short steps how to set up TP-Link Deco X68 in just few minutes. The TP-Link Deco X68 AX3600 is a tri-band mesh Wi-Fi 6 system designed to provide seamless whole home coverage with ultra-fast speeds up to 3600 megabits per second. So let's start the setup. Start with the product unboxing. Inside the TP-Link Deco X68 AX3600 box, you'll find 2 or 3 Deco X68 units, power adapters for each unit, an Ethernet cable for connecting to your modem, and a quick start guide for easy setup. Now download the Deco app on your iOS or Android device. Sign in or create a TP-Link account. Turn off your modem, if using one. Connect the primary Deco unit to the modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Power on the modem and Deco unit. Wait until the Deco's LED blinks blue, this means it's ready for setup. Open the Deco app and tap Let's Begin. Select your Deco model, Deco X68. Follow the in-app instructions. Confirm connection to the modem, set up a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Select a location for the Deco, e.g., living room, bedroom, etc. Power on the second Deco unit in a different location. Open the Deco app and tap Add a Deco. The app will find the new Deco automatically. Repeat for additional Deco units. Once all Deco units are added, the system will optimize the network. The LED should turn solid white, indicating that the network is working. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.